Okay, heard MS,
S. Khatania for the
S. Patanya, and the counsel for the appellant. Admit. Call for the LCS. MSS Jahan, and an additional PP. Appears for the respond number 1. Appellant to take steps for service of notice on respond number 2 by registered post AD. Within 1 week, can you do it, or
Yes,
2
Your
weeks?
Lordship, and in the meantime, paper.
Bihu holiday is there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Registry will,
After Bihu.
it's a jail appeal.
Jail
so
appeal,
in
Your Lordship.
jail appeals registry does it? I
Registry
don't
may
know.
direct.
Oh, is it a jail appeal?
Yes,
Yes.
Your Lordship.
She's a legal aid counsel.
Oh, you're
The
the,
council for the.
okay.
No, my counsel.
No, legal.
Legal aid.
Okay, heard MSS Katana, legal aid counsel. Then this is an appeal from jail. Admit, call for LCS. Registry directed. MSS Jahan, so and so appears for respond number 1. Registry directed to serve notice on the respond number 2 by registered post AD within 2 weeks.
No, it was not.
This is the matter after 6 weeks.
Paper book. In the meantime, paper book.
After 6 weeks.
Let
No,
the
LCR is
LCS,
yet to
let the
be received.
LCS come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Item 2 for orders.
2 paper book is ready. Micus is not here. Otherwise, paper book is ready. NK Borua, he comes to the court. I see him regularly. Perhaps today he has missed.
Okay.
NK Borua boga ke laate hain.
Learned amicus curiae is absent. MSS Jahan and an additional PP appears for respond number 1.
Lordship, yes. Respond number 1. Only respondent, I believe. It's the matter on the
Appears for the state of Assam.
it's a 302 matter. I think we are the sole respondent.
Paper book is ready. List the matter for hearing in the CGO courts.
Three paper book है हमारे यहाँ पर.
Item 3.
Three
Next is your
LCR is here.
paper book not received.
Paper book not prepared.
Paper
Yes.
book not prepared, how will you receive?
LCR is here.
LCS have been received.
Yes.
But Mr.
Eul Khan on behalf of A. Ahmed.
Then the DO Khan and its counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Ahmed, that amicus curiae for the appellant. Also heard MSS Jahan and additional PP for the state of Assam. LCRs have been received. Registry is directed to prepare the paper book and release the matter after 4 weeks.
No.
Obliged.
4 weeks is too short.
Perhaps they are still in the process of making 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 4.
Same is the case here.
LCR received.
LCR is here.
Lordship service complete, Lordship. LCR also received, Lordship.
What this office note?
Regarding service.
Okay. Heard MS B. Sharma. Learned
Amicus.
amicus curiae. Also heard MS Jahan and additional PP for the state respondents. Stop. LCS have been received. The registry is directed to prepare the paper book and list the matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
May please your lordship, my lord. In this case, my lord, under very compelling
Has not
circumstances.
been called.
I
Matter
agree,
has
my
not
lord.
been
Let the
called.
matter be called
No,
up.
no, matter has not been called.
Item 5,
Sorry, my
Lordship,
lord.
we are filing our objection during the course of the day. Let the matter be come up immediately after the view holidays.
Can I make my submission, sir?
Hmm.
Well, in this case, under very compelling circumstances, I have filed this IA application for grant of bail for a limited duration because my daughter, who is aged about 13 years, my lord, she is not keeping well because she is suffering from cancer, my lord, blood cancer. I have annexed all those documents. Earlier also, I was allowed to go on interim bail for a particular period. I have stated it at para 16, my lord, that High Court granted me bail for 2 months. Then again, it was extended. Then again, subsequently, I have to go to Supreme Court to get another order, my lord. So accordingly, I have stated in para 15, 16, 17, the whole background of this case. I am a life convict in this case, my lord. So my limited prayer is that before your lordship to grant me bail for a particular duration, my lord, say for 2 months or 3 months, so that I can take care of my daughter. Because my wife, unfortunately, is also 45% handicapped. I have annexed all those documents. And considering all those documents earlier, my lord, I was allowed to go on bail for a limited duration. Because being a life convict, my lord, I have to apply under 389 CRPC, which I filed this petition. If your lordship will kindly look into the documents which I have added. In the meantime, they will file their
No,
objection
we are
whatsoever they
filing
have
it
got.
during the course of the, it's already done, my lord. We've given our office to file and your lordship will kindly know they have filed this IA seeking urgency, but on the last occasion they were absent on 13th, 2023. The lordship will kindly
My lord, there was
look.
some confusion, of course, my lord. That's why.
None appears for
There
the
may be.
applicant.
Then let them file, we'll take up
Yes,
on the
on,
19th.
Yes,
19th.
19.
Actually, for treatment, my lord, had she not
Yes,
been a
my lord,
cancer
kindly
patient, I would not
consider
have known.
But later
It's just that-
conversation comes, my lord.
Let the BU be over.
Yes.
19th, we'll take up the matter.
As your lordship, please. But my duty is to point it out, my
Yeah,
lord.
that we have taken.
I'm sorry, my lord, before calling the matter, I just.
Doesn't matter. Heard Mr. Dev
My-
Kamal and the senior counsel for the applicant. Stop MSS Goyan when the additional duty submits that she's filing objections within the course of the period. Accordingly.
19
this
or so,
is
no?
again on
19.
19th of April.
My
Lordship, Lordship, I'm appearing for the informant matter.
MS
B. Bora.
Sri Bora Learned Council appears on behalf of the respond number 2.
Yes. Sir. Okay.
Obliged.
Much obliged, my lord.
item 6,
That in this case, my lord, appeal was admitted and today listed for consideration of our interlocutory application for suspension of the impunity.
Lordship,
LCS have come.
LC has not been received, your lordship, and whether we have filed an objection, I have no knowledge. Did that go on?
All my lord, and if they, my lord, file any
We
objection.
need to file an objection, my.
Filing of objection is one thing, but without
Yes,
the LCR, we can't.
Without LCR, not possible.
Heard Mr.
You are sick that.
Your Siktar Learned Council for the applicant. Stop. MS Goyan Learned. Addition to the Assam. Place for, how much time you require?
Lordship, actually, we have not got the
LCR.
a copy of the application. Let us copy be provided to us.
I
your
think
lordship.
it was my
You serve an
Friend,
extra copy?
Extra copy be
yes,
submitted.
we'll.
3 weeks.
We'll find, we'll
3
find.
weeks, 10 days.
2 weeks.
3, your lordship.
Within a period of 3 weeks. from today.
So we
In the meantime, registry is directed to send a reminder calling for the LCS. It's after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Thank you.
Second.
item 7,
Nobody is there, your lordship. After the vacation then. And none is appeared. Maybe for the first time it has come.
Coming up for first time. None appears for the applicant. List the matter after 2 weeks.
Item 8 for hearing.
In this matter, what had happened is there was no clear evidence against the accused and he was convicted on certain circumstances. Now, when the matter came up on the last occasion, Honorable High Court had sent the matter for additional evidence.
Hmm.
And indicating that these are the witnesses who should be examined by the session judge. And the report has come. Of course, I couldn't get time to check the report. It's tagged as status report. I could read only half of it, which shows that there was some paucity of time and what happened, I couldn't gather.
Okay. You want some time?
Lordship, yes, can see because the last order was dated. It was long back. It was 16/9/2019 when the case was sent for additional evidence. And that status report has come.
That is of September 2021.
Report by the additional session judge. There is a report also marked as T and a status report. Perhaps they could not be examined. Or, I don't know.
It was 2021. Now we're in 2023.
I wanted to find out whether they were at all examined by the.
Some
session-
were examined. One
Achha.
was examined, the IO, not the IO, the officer in charge.
Achha.
He was
The
partly,
direction-
partly examined, but for requirement for the extra copy of the GD entry,
Achha.
that was not done. Then they are facing some problems with regard to the address of the other.
Oh, because the direction was to examine the owner of the truck. Here, what had happened, a truck was found abandoned with a body inside. And the driver was killed and the handyman was caught and he was convicted.
Sister.
No, I am not a handyman.
Huh?
Who know evidence?
That is disputed. Then IO's evidence will have to be made a part of the paper book, the additional evidence.
No, this status report
Yes.
is of 29 September 2021.
And this is okay because the direction was in
On
2019. And they were examined.
What we can do is call for a status report,
A lot.
thereafter take appropriate decisions.
No, status report is
I
there.
think status report is already there.
Status report is of 2021.
Here.
And I think that
She
is,
was, what the court is
Okay,
saying is that he shall keep trying his level best to procure the attendance of the remaining
oh,
witnesses.
things are not over yet.
Not over, not over. So
Then,
let us see what is the status report.
Lordship
If
is-
something goes wrong, then we'll proceed. with it.
Yeah.
they are trying to procure the other witnesses. Yes.
But it is a case of acquittal, Lordship.
I know.
Here is the acquittal.
Yeah, Mr. Ardev,
Ardev, Lordship.
heard Ardev, learned amicus curiae. Also heard MSS Jahan, learned additional PT Assam. Stop. We have perused the status report submitted by the additional sessions judge Dibrugarh dated 29 September 2021. Stop. As the status report dates back to September 2021, comma. The learned additional sessions judge Dibrugarh is directed to furnish a fresh status report within a period of 2 weeks,
Lordship
within a
is-
period of 2 weeks,
Can it be 4 weeks, Lordship?
within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of a copy of the order. Stop. This is the matter after 4 weeks.
Oblige, Lordship.
But in respect of item number 1,
Hmm.
I submitted that the registry will take the notice, but I'm told that registry takes the notice in cases of amicus curiae. When the council is an amicus curiae, here the council is a
Legal aid.
legal aid. So legal aid councils actually, I think they take the steps themselves. That needs to be corrected, I think.
Where the legal
Uh-huh.
counsel,
I'll inform Miss Sangeeta Khatuniar.
then on to the first item, instead of registry, you just put the appellate.
Not obliged.
Item 9,
May I please, your Lordship? My lord, kindly pass over the matter for 3 weeks, my lord.
Have you given your mention slip? Have you taken the permission from the other side? This is
I
the
have
pro-
not given signatures.
There's already a notification to that effect. You should be aware of all these things. Now you have not given a mention slip, nor taken the permission from the opposite party. Now what do? We
My
proceed.
lord,
with-
I will inform my.
What is the
I'm
point of
already-
informing? She's already here.
I'm already here. Mr. Mondal might have some
The
problem.
adjournment. Okay. On request made on behalf of Mr. M.U. Mondal,
My lord,
this the matter after 3 weeks. MSF Jahan Learned Edition. Some is present.
My lord, item 10, my lord, I'm extremely sorry. In fact, we spoke yesterday afternoon itself. But he's appearing for the other side. We spoke yesterday afternoon itself.
Your speaking is a different thing. Where's your sleep?
That is precisely, my lord. Since it was late in the afternoon, so even I could not get in touch with him. He also could not get in touch with me. So that was the difficulty.
Now you are giving us a paid holiday within 20 minutes.
Yeah, it would have been. My lord, in fact, my lord, just the day before vacation, hearing matters, because there are a lot of mention matters also coming up, my lord. Because from tomorrow it is vacation.
Okay,
All advocates probably are busy in mention matters, my lord, motion matters.
you are appealing for Arunachal.
Yes, my
My lord, it may come up, both of us have agreed on 28, my lord, 28 of this month, my lord, as a fixed item. We'll argue and finish it off, my lord. He's in jail.
On request made by Mr. M.
Yes.
Biswas, learned counsel for the appellant. List the matter.
28,
after-
28, 28th of this month.
28
Wait. We'll finish it off on that day, my lord.
on 28 April.
I am appealing for the state.
Mr.
NNB Chaudhary,
NNB Chowdhury, Leonard,
Additional Advocate General, come public.
is a criminal appeal.
Yes, my
Criminal.
lord. I am Additional Advocate General, come public prosecutor. I am holding two
Leonard
posts.
Public Prosecutor appears for the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
He has many,
For the respondent.
he has many hats to wear, my lord.